Self-portraits are a study about ourselves, a biography painted from that moment in history when we were. This is a series of self-portraits I'll be painting for an upcoming art exhibition I'll be doing. Will be my first art exhibition I'll be doing here in Florida, so I hope to please the viewers and critics' taste. Let me know please in the comments below your thoughts on this series. It's often scary to paint a self-portrait because you don't know what you'll find. You have a natural conception about yourself that's very intimate, and to take it out and reflect it with paints on a canvas can feel scary. I get you, but I also know you are brave and will do whatever it takes. By conquering my fears, making the first pencil sketch, looking at me as if it was like in a mirror, I discover my flaws and strengthen my real muscle. By touching me on the canvas, touching the material, I show respect to the material and let my inner self flow free and just let without judgment what will come within me. As you can see, I start putting paint here and there without even thinking about it, letting it flow free from my inner self. Outside, in the material, in the canvas, applying every brushstroke loaded with paint, like a writer when it's writing my deepest secrets in the biography of my life. With every brushstroke, I feel the energy that has been craving to come out from me, to express how I really feel and how I really look at myself. But in this case, expressed through painting. It's so interesting and so beautiful to see how the portrait is taking shape with every brushstroke loaded with paint. That's how I feel my life has been. It has been taking shape with every step I have done in my life with faith. And I know when you paint your own self-portrait, you will figure out and get to know many things. Hey, how are you? I've been advancing on the painting. So sad that I couldn't record everything that I just painted of my self-portrait, which I will show you in a while. It's because I had some issues with my camera, with my light, well, you know, everything, any kind of problem a beginner like me can have. But I never get discouraged, and yes, I will try to keep on recording the whole process of the whole painting, but look what I have done until now. Oh yeah. And now by this point, if you are still watching this video, thank you. Comment and like and share this video please, and subscribe so you can watch more of this amazing content. As you can see the portrait right now, it's looking so vibrant, so colorful, with the reds, with the yellows, with the browns, with the greens, whites, those highlights. A self-portrait should be the one that expresses who you are, that shows and manifests to this world who you are, what's your inner self, what is within your soul. And I love how it's looking right now. Every brushstroke explains and tells a little story about me, about who I am, what I like, what I have done, and what I will do. Hey everyone, so thank you for watching this video until this part. You must see what I did in order for this painting to look as good as it's looking right now. So stick along in the video because it's really important for you as an artist to make self-portraits. When you make self-portraits,
That's like a great study you do about you and your art and your skills and your future new bright style. Stick along in this series of 4 videos I will be making, because I will be making this painting in this video with this silly expression, and I'll be uploading another 3 more videos in which I will be showing you self-portraits with lots of different silly expressions. So stick along in this video series, and thank you. Subscribe, like, comment, and continue looking this great interpretation of art.
So yes, people has often asked me for a photo reference or a reference for making a self-portrait. Let me just tell you and keep it brief. When you make your own self-portrait, just be you. Just take a picture or take an old picture about yourself in which you can relate and you can say, hey, that's me. As you can see in my own condition, I choose, well, a silly expression. And yeah, a silly expression, because why not? I'm often a silly dude also. And you should do the same thing too. And as always, thank you for watching. Enjoy the final shots of this amazing self-portrait. Comment, subscribe, and see you soon.